Hi, Jack. I've been reading about the law of attraction and how it can help in achieving career goals. Do you think it can be applied to getting a software engineering job?
Hi, Robert. Absolutely. The law of attraction can be a powerful tool if used correctly. It's all about visualizing your goals, maintaining a positive mindset, and taking action towards what you want to achieve. Let's talk about how you can use it to land a software engineering job.
That sounds interesting. Where should I start?
Start with visualization. Clearly picture yourself in the role you want. Imagine the company, your workplace, the projects you're working on, and how it feels to be there. The more detailed your visualization, the better.
So, it's like creating a mental image of my success?
Exactly. Along with visualization, affirmations are important. Use positive statements like, I am a skilled software engineer, or I am attracting the perfect job opportunity. Repeat them daily to reinforce your belief in achieving your goals.
I see. What about maintaining a positive mindset? Sometimes it's hard not to get discouraged, especially after rejections.
That's a common challenge. Focus on gratitude and the positive aspects of your journey. Celebrate small wins like completing a course or getting an interview. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep reminding yourself of your end goal.
I guess that helps in keeping the motivation high. What's the next step after visualization and affirmations?
The next step is taking action. The law of attraction works best when combined with effort. Update your resume, build a strong portfolio, apply to jobs, and network with professionals in the field. Each action brings you closer to your goal.
So it's not just about thinking positively, but also about doing the work.
Exactly. Positive thinking sets the foundation, but your efforts make it a reality. Also, be open to opportunities. Sometimes the path to your goal might come in unexpected ways. Stay flexible and open-minded.
How can I stay open to opportunities?
Keep an open mind and be willing to step out of your comfort zone. Attend networking events, join online communities, and be open to freelance or internship opportunities. Each experience can be a stepping stone.
That makes sense. What if I face setbacks or rejections? How should I handle them while using the law of attraction?
View setbacks as learning experiences. They are part of your growth. Reflect on what you can improve and stay persistent. Maintain your positive mindset and keep visualizing your success. Rejection is not a failure, it's a redirection.
I like that perspective. It makes setbacks seem less discouraging.
Exactly. Remember, the law of attraction is about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your goals. Stay positive, take consistent action, and trust the process. You'll get there.
Thanks, Jack. This has been really enlightening. I'll start incorporating these practices into my job search.
You're welcome, Robert. Stay focused and positive. The right opportunity is out there for you. Good luck.
Thanks, Jack. I'm feeling more motivated already.